Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Philip Ross, your local real estate agent in Woodhaven, Queens. I'm actually walking to the Woodhaven Boulevard station now. I just wanted to do a quick video. This weekend is action-packed. If you are in the market or you just want to see what other houses are worth in your area, there are a whopping 18 open houses this weekend. 9 of them are for single family houses. The other 9 are for multifamily homes. So it's a really great opportunity. If you're not familiar with the area, come check it out. They're pretty much at the same time range, 12 to 3, some as late as 4 o'clock. I have a link if you'd want more information on the times, the schedules. Please feel free to DM me and I'll be more than happy to send that over to you. Woodhaven, as you can see, is a really great, peaceful community. I'm on what they consider right now, I'm walking on the southern side of Woodhaven, which is basically below Jamaica Avenue and in between Atlantic Avenue. Once you pass Atlantic Avenue, the other side of that is Ozone Park. The area is great. My kids, one of them at least, is going to PS 60. So far, it's been a great experience. It's all I could say about Woodhaven is it's very much like a small town, even though it's a big city. It's certain parts are very congested. Like my block is houses right on top of each other, for lack of better words. But it's got a lot of like small town qualities. So it's something that, in my experience, being a lifelong New Yorker / Queens resident, except for 4 years out in Long Island, it's kind of like the way I felt when I spent the summers out in South Dakota way back when I was a little youth. Amount of homes for sale compared to other areas in Queens, it's very few and far between. You don't have as much inventory here. You are starting to hear of properties staying on the market a little bit longer. In Woodhaven, the average single family house is only on the market for 43 days. But we'll see in the days, months, weeks to come how much that'll adjust. Outside of New York, there is a big adjustment going on right now where properties are staying on the market a lot longer. It's the adverse effect of interest rates at this point. Property values have gone up elsewhere and people are looking at interest rates 7 to 7.5% and deciding, for lack of better words, not to do anything. Here, it's completely different. Like this is 92nd Street. There isn't any house for sale in the general area. There's nothing within range that you can see that's for sale. There are properties for sale, obviously. Once again, if you want more information about any of the properties that have an open house, love to attend with you. But if you want to go on your own, feel free. If you do have any questions about what your property is worth, feel free. I can also give you a no-cost valuation of what your home is worth. Take about 15 minutes or so. No obligation to sell. This weekend is the Great Woodhaven's yard sale, which is from 10 until 4 tomorrow. So that should be a real hoot. While you're out there looking at open houses, you can also do some bargain hunting or pay full price, get to meet the area, get to see the neighborhood, get to see your neighbors potentially. June the 14th is the Woodhaven 100-year anniversary. So that would be a real exciting time. That's going to be, I think, around 10 o'clock starting at the park right there in Forest Park by the track. So please do let me know if there's anything in the world that I could do to help you. Want more information about a lot of events, things of that nature in Woodhaven, please feel free to let me know. Yeah, I'd love to help you out any which way I could. If you need anything in terms of suggestions, areas to go, restaurants to try, things of this nature. Also, proximity to other areas, how I get around. So forth and on. There's PS 60 once again. That's the entrance. Let me know. My name is Philip. I'm a local real estate agent. I'm with Daysell Real Estate. You can take a look at us on all social media. Just type Daysell Real Estate and we'll come up. Thanks for your time.